Her daughter is flapping. Now, flapping tends to be looked at as, again, as an autistic trait. What it is we have a developmental milestone or a subsense of spatial orientation. But we also have a subsense very similar to a GPS system. I know right now I'm in Peoria, Arizona. I know I'm in Maricopa County. I know I'm in Arizona. I know I'm in North America. I know I'm in the Americas. I know I'm in the Northern Hemisphere. I can go on and on and on. Now, I do not wake up every day and say, where am I? But our system does, right? Did you ever see back in the good old days when you take a phone and you're like, I'm looking for the Wi-Fi, I'm looking for the internet, as if they could catch it, right? That's similar to this. The system hasn't figured out where it is yet in space. Now, this can come because they're visually impaired, peripherally impaired. In most cases, I will say 98% of the times when a child is flapping, they have a very poor convergence and peripheral vision. So it's easy to say don't flap or don't stim, right? But it's almost like, you know, were you ever in a place where you're in and out of internet, right? And your phone is trying to ping up with a satellite. Right? Well, that's what this is. It's sort of like, you know, where am I? Where? So you might see a rocking like this. Now, people say it's for self-soothing and so forth, but what we have to do is go in, and that's where all that spinal work, but especially with the spine and the vision. The sitting and vision course is quite good for it.